Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the key levels indicator plus the black box indicator. The indicator that provides us with the key levels is called the market turning points. You can see this is the indicator that provides us with the buy opportunity and the sell opportunity. So we developed the black box to find that where from the reversals and where from the pullbacks can especially come. So that is why we are using the black box indicator that contains the high specialty in the volume, and everything goes very fit with that indicator. So right now you can see this is another opportunity created on the black box, and the previous opportunity that was created on the black box, that when it prints a car emoji or any flagged sign, okay, and plus there is a level because as you know that I have talked about in my videos that market turning points indicator is the real time indicator. So on that volume it created the buy opportunity, so we can guess that where the market can possibly go. Okay, let me show you more examples. Okay, now for example, look at this part. Okay, so here we have the high volume that because it basically detects the smart money, that when the smart money is entering into the trade before the move. Okay, now you can see it created a buy opportunity, so at least it comes in our mind that the market should be looking for the buy side. Okay, now we have listed the market turning points indicator on our website. At the first number you can see here our website link FX Mentor US is in the description of this video, and soon the black box indicator will also be listed on our website. So basically the purpose of the black box indicator is to find when the smart money is actually entering into the market. Okay, so for example, just look at this USD CHF. This it has provided us with the note like this is the high confirmation volume plus the selling opportunity was on the market turning point. So if you have both indicators, that becomes a very good package. For example, look at the euro AUD. The market came down to liquidate everyone, and there is a buy opportunity, plus you can see there is a high smart money entry into the market. So there is a lot of chances that the price can go further up. I can give you more solutions for that. You can see here that was the selling opportunity, and there was a high volume as well. Now you can see the price is down. So guys, this is the very powerful setup that we have developed for the market turning points, and you can use it on the lower time frames as well. So if you want to book the lifetime version of the black box indicator, and if you want to book the lifetime version of the market turning points indicator, you can contact through Telegram, you can contact through email. The links are given in the description of this video. Thank you very much.